At 24, I got a remote job at a US agency where I worked for 11 months, earning over $20,000, working with people from different parts of the world, all from my small room in Lagos with no connection and no relocation. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I got the job, but before we do that, let me give you a little backstory. I graduated from University of Ilorin with a BSc in Human Kinetics in 2018, and just like most courses in Nigeria, lecturers tell you can work anywhere. Meanwhile, you can't work anywhere. In 2020, I decided to learn copywriting because I heard it's one of those skills that you can use to get foreign jobs online from Nigeria. I just finished NYSC the previous year and moved my sewing machine to my father's house in Lagos. At that point, I was frustrated because I didn't have any customers. All my customers were in University of Ilorin then, and everyone has dispersed. Right now, I'm all alone without customers, just my sewing machine. And the worst part was that in my father's house, people don't pay tailors well in that area, so I couldn't even tell people that I was sewing. And I started sewing because I wanted to make money, right? Because money I was getting in school was not enough, so I did that and other menial jobs to get by. When I finished NYSC, it all dawned on me that I would be in a big mess if I don't find another way out. I applied to so many jobs in Lagos, attended so many interviews, and even traveled down to Ilesha from Lagos just because of a job interview. And I'm not even from Ilesha or Osun State as a whole. And this job application and job interview phase continued until I finished all my NYSC savings. That was when I discovered some skills like copywriting, web design, video editing, and other high income skills. Being a natural writer, it was easy for me to pick copywriting because I believe I can learn that faster. And then I did not have a laptop and I don't have money for much data. So I was using 15 naira midnight bundle on MTN. Before we move on, please give this video a thumbs up so that more people that need the video can see it, and also subscribe to my channel so I can share more deep secrets for free on this channel for you. So here is exactly how I got the job. Number one, I learned for 5 months straight without distraction. Between January and May, I learned everything I could about copywriting, especially at night when I could do 15 naira data on MTN to get 500 MB to watch more videos on YouTube and other places. I was learning through paid courses, free courses, and whatever I could lay my hands on, even books. And in that 5 months, I woke up daily to learn and practice. On some days I give up, obviously, but when I think about what my life is going to turn out to be, I give myself ginger and I go back to getting to work. Because it's not very easy to keep learning something that is not paying you at the point, talk less of doing it for 5 months. Some days I wake up, I just want to play a game on my phone and just forget about the whole thing. And the process of these 5 months, I was not applying to any job, I was just learning and practicing. Number two, I joined Facebook group where jobs are posted. I joined Facebook group like Justin and Stefan Talk Copy, Nothing Airbag Job Board, The Copy Campus, Black Copywriter Coalition, and many more. From this group, I was getting small gig like $25 there, $75 there, and I got a gig that paid me $135 from one of those groups, and another one that paid me $85 from another group. The $135 was in June, and then $75 was in August. This small gig helped me build my skills and helped me apply what I've been learning for the past 5 months in real world, and also build my portfolio. Here's what my portfolio looks like at that time. You can see I screenshotted into 4 pages. This is page 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. I created this portfolio using Google Docs. It's free online. So number 3, I applied for jobs on Indeed.com. So here is why I was using Indeed. I don't like Upwork because I've tried to use it after the 5 months learning process. I went to Upwork, I was trying to use it, and I was getting clients that were trying to price me cheapest, and I noticed that they were chatting with so many people, and then they are trying to get the smallest price for the gig. So I left the place and I focused on applying for real jobs on those Facebook groups and also Indeed. So I saw this US marketing agency job. I applied and submitted my portfolio, which I built from using the little tags I've gotten before then. And I got to the next stage. The next stage was an interview. Then I did an interview, I passed, and after the interview, I was given a test job that do this test job on copywriting. And this is the email I got for that next step. It said, hey Shino, would just like to thank you for taking the time to apply I've reviewed the application we have had so far and you seem like you'd be a great fit. I would love to invite you to complete a small trial project just to get a feel of your skill sets and how it aligns with what we are actually doing. I will send it over if you give me a go. Please provide 2 times when you'll be available to knock it off Eastern Standard Time. It shouldn't take too much of your time and can open opportunity for a long time role moving forward. After the test, the next step will be final interview and onboarding. Thanks, I look forward to hearing from you. So I did the test and I was fortunate enough to get to the final interview after my test, and this was the email I received to tell me that I've gotten to the final stage. I've attached that on your screen to see where it said that I can schedule a time to interview and just come answer a few more questions before they move forward, and it gave me another question to answer. So I did my interview and the following week I got the good news. I got an email from the boss that I've been picked, and here is the email that he sent to me. Hey Shina, over the last few weeks we have reviewed dozens of applications from prospective new partners. Many of the applications were excellent, filled with knowledge and expertise, but there was one key element missing which I saw in you more than anyone else. I would invite you to join the team because I believe that your work ethic, personality and expertise will be great fit for our agency as we continue to grow. Before I dive in some next step, I'll be bringing you up to speed. And he went ahead to talk about different things about the agency and also what the offer would look like, which I accepted. Who knows $1? That changed my life, and the rest they say is history. Now the reason why I made this video is to encourage you to learn as much as possible about what you say you do mock-up projects to build your portfolio, and don't be afraid to apply for jobs that you think you are qualified to do, because you never can tell what opportunity is going to pick up for you. You can even reach out to people directly or the HR or the boss directly instead of applying through the normal job application process. You can find their email and send them a code email that, hey, I can do this for you, and then see where it goes from there. I've gotten jobs this way too. I may share with you guys in one of my next few videos so you can see how to do it. And you can see that the portfolio that I showed you that I used to get that job was very basic. It's not something too serious, something really well designed or anything. So it has to show you that nothing should stop you from trying to get opportunities that are available to you. Build yourself up to become a person of value and never be afraid to share the value that you carry with others. My advice to you in a nutshell is, number 1, don't wait for local opportunities alone when you can be a global talent. Number 2, improve your communication and time management skills. Number 3, build a digital presence, whether on LinkedIn, on Twitter, Instagram, what have you. Just make sure you are talking about the value that you can provide. Number 4, join communities like Facebook groups, Slack channels, Telegram channel, and where you know people are sharing something valuable about the industry that you are in and how to get jobs in the industry. And number 5, be persistent. Rejection are a part of it. They are not the end of life. Every no you get is getting you closer to a yes, and one yes may be all you need to change your life. I'll be dropping more videos on remote job tips, doing business online, and making money online in general, including using AI tools. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, so more people like you can see it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you sticking around, and see you in the next one.